If you're wondering whether to use Microsoft Word or Google Docs for your documents, this video will break down the key differences so you can decide which tool is right for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips and tech insights. Microsoft Word has long been the industry standard for word processing. It offers powerful formatting options, professional templates, and offline access, making it ideal for creating resumes, reports, proposals, and documents that require precise layout control. Word also integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft 365 apps like Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, which is useful for business environments where these tools are commonly used. Google Docs, on the other hand, is a cloud-based word processor designed for collaboration and accessibility. Multiple users can edit the same document in real time, leave comments, and track changes from any device with an internet connection. Google Docs automatically saves your work to the cloud, reducing the risk of losing important files, and is great for teams or freelancers who need to collaborate remotely. The main differences come down to collaboration, accessibility, and formatting capabilities. Word excels in advanced formatting, offline editing, and professional document design. Google Docs shines in real-time collaboration, cloud access, and simplicity, making teamwork easier and faster. Your choice depends on whether you value detailed formatting and offline control or seamless cloud-based collaboration. In conclusion, both MS Word and Google Docs have strengths that make them suitable for different scenarios. Word is perfect for offline, highly formatted, professional documents, while Google Docs is ideal for collaborative projects and remote work. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on productivity tools and document software.